Hey Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girls Guide, your official guide for all things fashion, style, trends, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I got another Stitch Fix box. This one should be themed pretty much for fall. Thank the Lord, we are getting some cooler weather here. Praise Jesus. Anyway, so if you want to see what I got in my Stitch Fix box, and if it's worth it, then make sure you stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Thick Girl gang and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing subscription box. You can get it as frequently as you'd like. Right now, I used to have mine bi-monthly. I found that was a little bit too much. So I moved it back to quarterly, so 4 times a year. And so this is my box for fall. And basically they send you 5 items. You take like a whole style quiz so they kind of know what aesthetic you like. They also have like women's, plus maternity, petites, straight sizes, and they also have men's and kids. So I'd be interested to see if anybody has tried out like the men's or kids and how that has gone, because I obviously just pretty much do the plus size for myself. But I have really enjoyed Stitch Fix. I think they do a really great job at picking out fantastic styles, stuff that you will actually wear. You're not getting these crazy patterns or colors really. Maybe if I did my quiz a little differently, maybe I would. So if that's kind of your thing, is like bold colors and kind of crazy patterns, more power to you. I'm not a really huge fan of that, but they will cater to you. You can also put notes in for your stylist on like any particular items that you're looking for or styles that you're looking for. And basically they charge you $20 every time a box ships. That is your styling fee. And you only keep what you want, and then you can send everything back. And they do include a return envelope or bag for you to put the items in and send them back. If you do keep at least one item, your $20 styling fee goes towards that item. If you send everything back, they do keep the styling fee since they pretty much shipped it to you, chose everything. And to me, that's pretty fair. If you do keep all 5 items, so the whole box, you actually do get a discount. So you get your $20 styling fee that goes towards it, plus you get an extra 25% off the whole box. So that's kind of the incentive. If you're already eyeballing, 4 out of the 5, it may be worth it for you just to keep that 5th item and try to either wear it, give it away, sell it on Poshmark or something. Sometimes that discount can be more enticing to keep everything. So let's dive in to my box that I received. So it comes in a box. Obviously they size the box according to what is in here and what they need to fit in here. And then it does come with a bunch of like paperwork. So it comes with the pre-addressed label or bag to send this back. And then it comes with a note from your stylist and the receipt. Okay, so this is the receipt. This is the pricing breakdown. It'll show you like how much it's going to be with your 25% discount and the styling fee. So we'll go over that as I pull the items out. And then this is like a little styling card. It shows you like the items and how to style it. I'm not going to look at that because I don't want to be like my surprise ruined, Okay, so here is the note from my stylist. Hey there, Andrea. Welcome back for another fix. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Raquel, and I am thrilled to be your stylist this time around. Thank you for checking out the preview and offering some helpful feedback. I saw your request and instantly thought of you when I snagged these trendy leopard print boots. I did put in a request. I saw some on, I think it was Pinterest, and I was like, some leopard booties would be adorbs. So I put that in there and they delivered, okay? Unfortunately, we did not have any trench style jackets available in your style preferences. I will keep an eye out for your next fix. In the meantime, try using this olive cardigan by Market and Spruce as a layering piece. It's incredibly versatile and super soft. Toss it on with your favorite tee and these Democracy skinny jeans for a stylish look that you can wear out on the weekends. Let me know if you liked the style and fit of each piece. Any requests next time? Question mark. Best, Raquel. So, sounds like we got a cardigan, we got some jeans. I will tell you, I am a jeans fanatic. They send the best jeans. I used to get mine at like Torrid, and I used to love 7-7 from Lane Bryant, which are incredibly expensive. And ever since I started Stitch Fix, pretty much every time they send me like a pair of denim, I end up keeping it because I love it. So great quality, great fit, super comfortable. Have loved them all. And then also when I wear them in videos, y'all are like, where are those jeans from? Well, guess what? They're from Stitch Fix. So the Democracy is one of the brands that I have. And I think the other one, is it cut from the cloth? I don't remember the brand of it, but there's several skinny jeans that I've actually kept, and pairs of jeans. I think I have 3 or 4 now from these boxes, and Lord knows I'll probably keep these because they're probably gonna fit like a glove, and I ain't mad at it. Anyway, let's dive in here. Okay, so I'm gonna try and lift this all out here. Okay, so these are the clothing items. They come wrapped in like this little paper. And then this time, and I've never gotten shoes from them. So the shoes, oh, they come in a little baggie. Okay, throwing this on the floor. Okay, so they come in a little shoe bag like this. That's cool. And it says Stitch Fix on it. You can keep this and use it for traveling if you end up keeping the shoes, you know. Holler. Okay, so let's, oh, these are cute. Oh, those are super cute. What size are these? 9.5. Perfect. Okay, so look at those first of all. I don't know about that heel. That heel looks steep, but these are adorable. Oh, and they're like textured too. I love the zipper. I don't know. We're gonna try them. I hope that heel's not too big for me though. I mean, I'm already tall first of all, and I'm rhyming like Eminem. Ugh, look at me go. Anyway, so I'm already tall. This would add, that's probably a 3-inch heel. Maybe at the, yeah, that's about a 3-inch heel. That may be too much for me to deal with. So, I don't know. But either way, these are such a vibe. They are so freaking cute. I love it. Okay. I hope they work out well. I don't know. We shall see. Okay, so those adorable boots are called the Mia Tracy boot. They are in a 9.5. And they're $74. Put her down here so I can show you the other clothing. And then of course we'll be doing a try on, of course. Okay, then this first item, let me see, what is this? What? Okay, so this is the 9 Britain Dahlia brushed knit top, super soft by the way. And they say it's burgundy because it's actually a tricolor here. Trying to show it to you, but it's so soft. $46. This is a 3X. I don't know what fabric this is made out of. Let me try to hunt it down. I mean, I might just keep this for the softness. Like this is like, okay, so this is a polyester rayon and spandex. But like if I didn't have makeup on, I'd be like all up on my face, you know. But she is so soft and cozy for fall. Yes, and I don't have anything like that actually, so that might be, you know, something different. And that's why I like this, why I like Stitch Fix, is because it's stuff that you can try that you would never necessarily pick up on your own. So, you know, like I probably wouldn't have picked that up. I would have been like, oh, that's soft, and I would never tried it on. But now we're gonna force try it on, you know, because we're doing this video. This cardigan too, y'all know I love an olive green. And it is a longer cardigan. Again, super soft material. This is by Market and Spruce. This is a 3X, and the price on it is $46. That's so cute. They got me pinned on this box already. Okay, we got leopard boots, we got olive green, we got soft fabrics. Yes, living for it. Okay, next up, they're coming with these sweaters, hardcore. Okay, so this is like a gray sweater by Pink Clover. It's called the Nicole Textured Sweater in a 3X, also $46. It is kind of textury here, but see, it's still very soft. We've got ribbing on the sleeve, and then we also have ribbing on the bottom part. And next we've got the Democracy Jerry skinny jeans in indigo. I just love like a dark denim. Oh, we have some distressing. Yes. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna keep these, to be honest. I already know it. 24, and this is 70. These are $78. Okay, first of all, this box is looking real promising. Hitting all the fall feels, you know. Raquel, you did an amazing job. Those boots are, they are top notch. Now, again, I don't know if I can handle the heel, but I'm gonna try because I really, really, really like those boots. I think they are so stinking cute. Okay, and I love that everything else is kind of a solid color, but then you got like the pop of the boot, especially with the, like if you did the skinny jeans with the boot and like just kind of a black t-shirt and the olive green sweater and maybe do like a leopard print scarf with it. Adorbs. Okay, anyway, let's get to the fun part and do the try on. Okay, so this is the gray sweater from Pink Clover. Super soft, super cute. Absolutely love this. And then these are the skinny jeans from Democracy. So you can see they're pretty much like a mid-rise, fit amazing. Love this brand. Again, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix denim or Democracy, apparently, what are you waiting for? Definitely hunt them down. This is the Market and Spruce cardigan. Absolutely love it. Paired it with a black cami underneath, those Democracy jeans that they sent. And then these are the boots. Adorable, but they hurt. They are heels too high. These are gonna have to go back. They're very tight as well. Like I would never actually wear these, and so I'm not gonna pay $78 for them. They are so cute though. I wish they were more comfortable. I wish the heel was like about 1.5 inches lower. So I'll try to see if next time they have something that's like more flat, because yeah, these are killing my feet and I've been on them for like 3 minutes. So definitely not going to wear them out anywhere. This is the last sweater, the tri-color, really super soft, kind of fleecy sweater. I mean, it's cute for like a casual day. I don't know if it's really my style. I'll have to see. I might keep it, I might not. Definitely going to keep the denim though, and probably the gray sweater and the olive cardigan. Shoes going back, possibly this going back, I don't know yet. Yeah, so that's it, and let's go with the final thoughts. All right, so that was my Stitch Fix box for fall 2022. She did a fantastic job. I'm a little sad those boots were like a torture device on my feet. They were so cute and they hurt real bad. like just the pressure on like the ball of your foot because the heel's so high. And also it was like across like my, like the, I know your arc's under there, but it kind of how it pushes your foot up like that. It was really tight around there as well. So just uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. Super cute, super uncomfortable. Isn't that how it always works though, you know? So those are gonna be a pass. And I am gonna pass on the tri-color sweater. It was just okay. For $46, I was like, you know, if it was like half of that, I'd probably keep it. But I don't think I would wear it for $46. The jeans I'm definitely keeping. Those are $78. The olive cardigan I am absolutely keeping. I don't have anything like that. I love this green color, is stunning. So love everything about that. And then I'm debating on the gray sweater. I'm gonna have to look in my closet and see if I have anything like it. I did like it, but it's also $46, so I'm like, am I gonna wear it? I'm trying to be more selective now that I do all these hauls for you guys, because I end up keeping a lot, and so I want to make sure that whatever I do keep, that it is stuff that I actually love and wear. I might send that back just because I have so many clothes and so many sweaters particularly already. So if I just keep the jeans and the cardigan, that'll be $124. There's no extra discount on that. I do get my $20 off for the styling fee though, so I would have to pay an additional $104. If I kept the gray sweater, that brings it up to $170 minus the $20 styling fee, so $150. So I'm thinking, I don't think that's really worth it for me to keep that other sweater. It is pretty basic. I feel like you could find that just about anywhere. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the olive sweater and the denim and call it a day. All right, and if you are interested in Stitch Fix, everything is linked down below. I think I have a referral code where I think I get like points if you sign up using my code towards like a future box or something. No pressure to use it. It's just there if you need it. And overall, again, I absolutely love Stitch Fix. If you haven't tried it, I highly suggest that you do. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.